Imagine colossal lifeforms, bigger than planets, drifting through the void. These aren't your earthbound whales. We're talking about space whales, vacuum-dwelling organisms. These behemoths could feed by filtering interstellar dust and radiation. Think of them as cosmic vacuum cleaners, maintaining balance in the galaxy. How would they move? Perhaps manipulating gravitational fields or riding cosmic currents. The possibilities are as vast as space itself. Communication could involve bioluminescent signals or even gravitational waves. Imagine the cosmic conversations they might have. Their life cycle could involve absorbing nebulae or even consuming smaller asteroids. What bizarre growth processes might they undergo? Internal anatomy would be a marvel of biological engineering, adapted for the extreme conditions of space. How would they process energy and expel waste? Space whales. A fantastical concept, but a reminder of the universe's endless possibilities. Could they be out there, silently traversing the cosmos? What do you think?